Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. One of my favorite things to do on this channel is unbox whatever I buy online to resell in my stores and then come back 90 days later and let you know if I've actually made a profit and if I would buy another one based on the results. So today we're doing a 90-day update on the Boutique by the Box Madewell and JCRW men's box. And if you want to see if I would buy another one and if I made money, definitely stick around. So I've really been loving the Boutique by the Box JCRW Madewell assortments that have been available over the past couple months. And aside from the palettes, I think I've ordered every single variety that that they have offered. And you can check my list, my videos to see other ones. I will link the original unboxing video to this one down below. This is the men's version though. So this one was a 20-piece box. My cost was $164.96, and I think, if I remember correctly, they were running some kind of sale, so I was able to get some kind of discount on this box. But if you're shopping on Boutique by the Box, you can take 10% off your order using my affiliate code, which is Oh Yeah. It's OHYEAH, and if you just enter that in when you check out, you'll get 10% off of your order, or I have it linked down below. If you just follow that link, you can take 10% off your order that way as well. But this one, $164.96 total. And so what I'll do is I will run down what sold, what hasn't sold, and then at the very end, I'll talk about if I actually made a profit and if I would buy another one based on the results. So if you like reseller content, certainly consider subscribing to my channel. I do lots of unboxings when I order from online liquidation companies, and then I always come back and do a 90-day update. So I would certainly love to see you again in another video if that sort of content interests you, and hit that like button if you have not already. That really does help out my channel a lot as well. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. And I want to give you guys a disclaimer right ahead of time. I'm a little late on this box. Majority of these sales happened on eBay, and they happened very quickly after I listed the stuff. So I don't have screenshots for many of these items, unfortunately, because eBay only lets you keep the screenshot or keep the record of the sale for 90 days and then it falls off. I do use List Perfectly to cross post, and once I recently switched over to the Pro Plan Plus, and that one I don't feel compelled to delete my sold listings because it runs super fast and they're like not in the way. So eventually, if this does happen in the future, I will still have a record. I'm really sorry. I'm trying to fix it for the future. So I have in my records here that there were 16 items I listed. That means one of two things. That means either it was a 20-piece box and there were 4 items I didn't list for whatever reason. Maybe they were just damaged or something. Or it was a 15-piece box and I got 1 extra piece. I think, because I don't remember. I don't have it in my notes. And did I go back and watch the original video? No, I did not. But you can let me know in the comments down below if you remember the original video. But I'm pretty sure this box had a couple pieces that were damaged beyond what I would consider listable. These JCRW Madewell boxes, because they are customer returns, there are chances that they have flaws of some kind. And as a matter of fact, I think if I remember correctly, two of the t-shirts got added to my t-shirt collection because I have an 8-month-old daughter that likes to puke on me all the time. So when I'm playing with her or feeding her, I don't wear my nice clothes, and I have a whole drawer full of t-shirts for that. So I'm pretty sure we had 20 pieces and I listed 16. Of the 16 I listed, 11 are sold and I have 5 left. So I'll show you what sold first in order of lowest sale price to highest. First up, we have the All Day Madewell Pocket Tee. This was a size small, so men's size small. This sold on Poshmark for $12. This one took just under 90 days to sell. This one didn't retail for very high either. So to get $12 was like pretty much par for the course. You know, it was $10.31 per item on average. Some items sell way higher, some lower. It all averages out. Hopefully that's the goal. So to have, in fact, according to my notes, I'm negative $1.26 on this after the fees. but it helped recoup some of the money on the box on an item that wasn't otherwise very valuable anyway. Then there was the Slim Washed Pocket Tee in green. This was a J.Crew factory piece. This was a $13.99 eBay sale. This one, again, same kind of par for the course. I wouldn't have expected more than that. There was the All Day Tee in gray. This one was a size large from Madewell. This was a $16 eBay sale. And I will say, these J.Crew Madewell boxes, at least like the shirts and tops, and they used to have the women's and men's, there's basics in there. I choose to list the basics because they sell, as you can see. I'm not getting a ton of money for them, but if I chose not to list them, then I'm just eating the cost. So they are selling, it's worth listing. I had a pair of Flex casual pants. These were J.Crew factory. They were a size 28, which in men's jeans, that's a pretty small size. Maybe even for like an adolescent might wear a 28. But they still sold. I sold these for $20 on eBay. And these were actually only listed for 2 weeks. So these I might not have a screenshot for. Same with these. These also sold on 9/13. This was the Slim Fit Broken In Oxford. It was like a button-down shirt. It was a size small, so smaller size. I would think it wouldn't sell very quickly, but it was one of the first things to go. It was a $20 eBay sale as well. Then here's another men's small. My goodness, these were this was the performance dress shirt in white, J.Crew factory. This one was a $24.99 eBay sale, which means somebody purchased this outright. On eBay, my asking price, my full asking price is always $.99. So if I see that number in my notes, that means somebody paid outright what I'm asking without sending me an offer or without me sending offers. So, I mean, that's like best case scenario. And it sold the next day after I listed it. So I don't know, maybe that size was sold out online or something. I don't know. Here's another one I probably don't have a screenshot for. These were gray drawstring shorts. And I'm not real sure to this day if these were like athletic shorts or swim shorts, or I know some companies now make shorts that can be used for both. I really don't know. But these were this was a $25 eBay sale, and these were only listed 4 days as well. There was this Easy Fit button-down shirt, and this was a medium. And this one sold on Poshmark for $28. Was only listed 2 days, so it sold very quickly. Here's another Easy Fit button-down shirt. This was navy blue, and it was also a medium. This one sold for $40 on Poshmark, and this one was listed for 5 days. These right here, the second highest sale, but I'm glad that they finally sold. These are these overalls. They're like garment-dyed work carpenter overalls, and they got a lot of interest, and I answered a ton of questions. They were white, and they had a little like spot on the knee, so I had to list and disclose. But after going back and forth and back and forth and back and forth with somebody on eBay for, I don't know, 3 or 4 days, they finally purchased. They sent me a $40 offer. I think I had them listed at $75 or $80. But by this point, we were over the 90 days. I knew I was about to make the video, and I was, quite frankly, sick of looking at them, sick of getting lowball offers and weird questions. So I went ahead and just accepted. And it ended up being the second highest sale of the entire box. So I'm not mad about it. And then the highest selling item in this box was the garment dyed work shirt in vintage linen. This one took a minute to sell. It almost hit the 90 days, but it was a $44 Poshmark sale, sold by offer, so I did eat the discounted shipping. So that's the 11 that did sell. What I have left. Okay, folks, breaking news. So actually, as I was filming this, literally as I was filming this video, I got a notification on Poshmark that one of the items that was on my not sold just sold. So we're going to update this to 12 sold and 4 unsold. What just sold was this J.Crew factory cotton crew neck sweater. It's out of order from least to most highest sale, but that's okay. This was sold on Poshmark, $18, plus I sent an offer to Likers. So that did sell. That will change things a little bit here. Okay, now let's jump into what hasn't sold, which at this point is only 4 items. Okay, I've got this slim washed pocket tee. This is just a plain white t-shirt. That is still here. I've got a pair of black casual shorts with an 11-inch inseam. These are a size 32, still here. I've got the relaxed tapered jeans. These, I'm a little bit surprised are still here. The other two, not so much, because, well, one's a basic t-shirt and one's a pair of shorts, and we're in the middle of winter. These jeans, I'm surprised, didn't sell, you know, back in the summertime. Actually, I listed this stuff in September, so I'm not that surprised. But it would have been nice for these to sell because they're probably one of the more valuable pieces in the box. And then I have another pair of everywhere swim / lounge / athletic shorts in a size small. So not a super big surprise there either. Okay, so sold 12, have 4 left. I paid on this box $164.96, and my profit as of right now is $123.15. So, and when it comes to liquidation, I want to have doubled my money. So what I would have wanted was at least 164 back plus 164 in pure profit. I made it to 123. So I'm pretty darn close. I think once I sell off these other 2 pieces, I should hit that double mark with no problem. If I remember correctly, when I first opened this box, and again, I have the original link down below, you can go watch if you want. But I feel like I was not super happy with this in the beginning because there were so many basics. And now that I'm thinking about it, I am pretty sure there were some that were like so damaged, I wasn't going to be able to list them. But this actually turned out to be a pretty good box. I mean, a really good box. And like I said, I've been pretty consistently purchasing these J.Crew Madewell boxes from Boutique by the Box because they've in general just been doing really, really well for me. So would I order another one of these? After seeing the results, yes. If you would have asked me that before I listed everything, I probably would have said no just based on the unboxing, but that's exactly why I do these updates, to see what actually sells. Because my initial opinion or thought on things, it can be completely different than the actual results I get. It goes both ways. I might think the box is amazing and then none of it sells, right? So it just really depends on what actually happens on the platforms. That's exactly why I do this. So I am happy to report good news on this one. Make sure you're subscribed. I do have more 90-day updates coming up, some more unboxing videos for you as we come into the new year here. And hit that like button on the way out if you don't mind. Like I said, that really does help out my channel a lot. Helps my videos get seen, and it just lets me know that you like this kind of content. That's it for today, friends, though. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.